Hey, Brian here with DIY Outdoor Life. Today's video might be a little off-brand, but I wanted to put this out because I thought it would help some people out. This is an Autel Level 2 electric vehicle charger. It's going to be able to charge your plug-in hybrids as well. This is a charger that uses 240 volts. This one's about 50 amps. That's going to give you 9 times the charging speed for those EVs and plug-in hybrids. Now, I was looking for one of these at work, and I wanted to share how I got this installed and my review of this Autel charger. So let's get to it. So this year at work, we decided we wanted to install a level 2 car charger. A lot of people are using EVs, and these car chargers can give a much faster charge than using a standard outlet. Your modern portable power stations can fast charge from this as well. Well, I really liked what I saw with Autel. It was a brand I did a lot of research on. It's got a nice sleek appearance, it's weatherproof, it can be installed outside, and they even make a couple options. They have options in different current, different amperage options, and they also have one that'll plug in to a 650 or a 1450 if you actually want to plug into like a welding outlet or dryer outlet on your house. Now for our installation, and the one that I prefer, we went with the hardwired option. It allows you to use a 60 amp breaker. We did have a load center in this garage, and this got hardwired in. Now for that reason, I wasn't going to do a video on a DIY installation. This is a commercial building. I had to go through the proper channels and hire a master electrician. One of the things I liked most with Autel is you can go on their website and they hook you up with a Qmerit installer. So I'm here with Alex.
How are you?
Alex is a master electrician that they sent to my house or sent to my place of work to do this installation. The only thing I had to do is hop on, type in my address, and they actually get multiple quotes. Yep. And they call up a professional installer like this that's willing to take the job. Yep. So we came out here and Alex set out to do this job, and we knocked it out in a half a day.
Yeah, it was fine. The good thing with Qmerit is you get a bunch of bids from different contractors, and whoever you choose, you get, accept the job.
Nice.
So it's pretty good.
What I'll do is I'll put links in my description, both to the different products with this level 2 charger, but I'll help people out linking them to the website where they can find Qmerit, because they do more than EV installs. Basically any work you want done.
They're an electrification company.
So I'm going to have Alex come over. He's a professional that has a ton of experience with this, and we're going to do a quick overview of what this product is capable of, why we both like it, and we'll include a little montage of how this installation went. So if you have a plug-in hybrid or you have a full electric vehicle, you're very familiar with this style charger. Now, if you have a Tesla, there's a little adapter that comes with it.
Comes with the car.
But this is going to plug right into the vehicle and give you that, like I said, 9 times as fast of charging speed if you're used to plugging into a normal 15 amp outlet. But there's options on this for Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. There's an app. You can tell power consumption.
Yeah, you can also have an RFID card. So let's say you don't want some strangers coming, like a situation like this. Plug it in the car, so you can have an RFID card. You swipe it, and it'll turn it on and off.
So an actual contactless card that you swipe, so you can get some, I think of it like parental control, but I mean really it's a little security. This is a public place, and maybe you want to arrange a donation for people that are using it. It does give you that control. So you have a lot of experience installing these units. Yeah. We both like the appearance. Everything seemed quality?
Yeah, no, it's very, very nice. We've done quite a few of these, and I like it kind of looks like a phone. It's so nice, like some chargers, they kind of have a rough edge,
Yeah, and we're out here in the woods. I mean, I would have been okay with a rough appearance, but this definitely has that
beautiful
Apple sleek modern appearance to this. Now, as far as an installation, now, like I said, this is an area where we need a permit. So I brought out a professional to do this. But it was as simple as a 60 amp breaker. We used 6-gauge wire and hardwired this in.
Yep.
2 wires, and we
wires,
used the conduit for the
conduit.
ground.
Yeah, if you don't use a conduit, then you got to run a ground. Yeah.
So really easy installation as far as, projects like this go. But I'm really happy with this, and I hope this video helps some people out. All right, folks, so I appreciate you watching. Like I said, I'll include the links. I just thought that including this little job we did today might help somebody out. I do get a lot of comments about fast charging modern power stations, as well as people that are towing their campers with an EV. So to have a high quality charger like this at home is gonna be really nice. Now, you have anything to share about this Qmerit process?
Well, Qmerit is really a good company to connect with if you want to install a charger at your home or business. They're connected with all the manufacturers, all the automakers, and any charger that you need installed, you can call them and they'll connect you with an electrician near you.
For me, it couldn't have been easier. You guys know that I like to do these DIY projects myself, but the ability, to get the bids from qualified professionals and to be able to give you the best price and the best professional, it really couldn't have been any easier. So I appreciate you guys watching. Check out those links. Stay tuned for the little installation montage. Appreciate you coming out today.
No problem. Thank you.
This was our This Old House version of DIY Outdoor Life. Take care. See you guys next time.
Enjoy.